Alrighty guys, welcome back to the Combustion Guys YouTube channel and at Mecum Car Auctions in Kissimmee, Florida. And we have got a lot of cars to look at, so it's going to probably be pretty similar to what we did last year, tent by tent search of cool cars. So let's get ready to go looking. Don't forget to check out the merch shop where you can get Todd's cool hoodie that he's wearing right now. And let's get into the video.
Yes.
Oh yeah, the final field. Oh yeah. Ooh, and we got a Shelby truck right off the back there. Looks very nice. Very gushy out here as well. Ooh, Z28 Camaro. Ooh, Jaguar. Looks good. Yeah, which one is this? Yeah. Let's see. The XFRS. Let's see. Supercharged. Oh yeah, this one had that special 550 horsepower supercharged V8 in it. Yeah. That one was cool. We have Angry Eye Jeep. Yep. Got more Corvettes. I know, right? Just popping up everywhere you go. Something else, that's for sure. Got a very pretty blue Chevy. Most of these, yeah. A lot of these have been sold already, so kind of neat. CTS coupe again. The 550, that's a interesting paint scheme for sure. Ooh, 302 Boss. This thing looks good. Yeah. That's pretty.
You made a good deal on that.
Very, very nice. Yep. 1970 Mustang 302. What? Yeah. 408. Sweet. Okay, dokie. Yeah. Oop, SRT Magnum. Yep. Like those, that's for sure.
I like when they pick the last ones that have updated headlight. More to a rectangle.
Yeah. And then they're swapping the new Charger front ends as well.
Great look.
Yeah, it looks great. Yeah, Roadrunner.
Lots of Continentals this year too.
Yeah. Ooh, GMC looks good. 99 GMC. Camaro with the white top. Yeah.
Model A. Oh, Model
Sure.
T.
Oh wow.
That's cool.
Looks good. Yeah. Chevelle.
Lots of square body Chevys too.
Ooh, and I think that's what is that? Modded. Is that another Bronco over there? No, the big guy within the ceiling Mustang, which looks good. Z06206. There we go.
Jeep straight.
Yep.
I can lower this.
Ooh, another XLR. That one's pretty.
This might be.
Yeah.
Nope. They did have XLRVs.
Mhm.
They had 440 horse North Stars.
Yep.
That was good in the
That's a
blue.
nice looking Toyota, yeah.
Okay, that's actual correct.
Oop, and then the Jaguar S, which is the F-Type S convertible. So that's cool.
That's the 550 or not.
Yeah. Wrap around and go back this way. Watch out for the mud as much as possible.
A lot of Porsche 928s and 959s.
Got a lot of people here camping.
This would make sense. It's 2
Yeah.
weeks.
Wonder how much that costs. Ooh, nice Ford Ranchero. That is a pretty one.
Or CA.
Ooh, first newer body style convertible. That was good.
No new Mustangs here, like no dark
Yeah,
horse
brand
here.
new, yeah. Ooh, the nice hover when they actually were worth something.
This H3 Alpha with the 5 speed.
Those are good.
What?
Nice Firebird Silverado work truck. Why are you here? Why are you here?
I do not understand.
Yep. Mm-hmm. Beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, the GTO. Yeah. Well, with the resurgence of the new one, yep. Same thing as the Bronco. Gonna make it a little bit more popular, and everyone wants to grab one. Then we got Cobra 427 Cobra engine. Very nice. 6.5 liter turbo diesel. And that one's pretty. Looks like is the bumper off a little bit? Yeah, a little hanging maybe. No, I mean this one looks about the same.
Yeah.
So maybe not. That one looks good though. Nice two-tone going on there with the gray and the red. Ooh, little red express truck. Yeah, with the woody. That's nice. Yeah, it looks good. Silverado 20 lifted. Yeah. And apparently these are auctionable, apparently. That's weird. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Ford F100. Very pretty. Jeep Wrangler 4.0 liter. Giant puddle of mud. We're gonna walk around this way. Yep. Up and yep, I was gonna say F60. X650. Yep. Shrek. That's something else. Ooh, Grand Prix. That is a big, long car. Nice looking interior. Ooh, Grand National Buick.
Yep.
Thought so. 3.8.
18,000
Ooh, the King Cobra up here with the orange Batmobile outline going on. That's cool. Intimidator SS Monte Carlo. Ooh, the Boss 351 Cleveland. That's interesting. Oh, Hot Wheels. Okay. Interesting. Ooh, and then the Hertz Penske GT. That's a cool combo. And then, what is this, El Camino? Or?
It's a El Camino Daytona.
Okay. That's weird. Interesting. DeLorean.
That's the third one of DeLorean.
Yep.
Ooh, side pipes on the 60s.
Ooh, that looks good. Shelby GT. Oh, Murata looks good, yeah.
C8R edition up here. That's cool.
Another Dodge in here too. Kind of weird. Yeah, love the Nomads.
I like the C8R edition.
Yep, that's pretty. I don't see Jake anywhere.
Jake is like
Somewhere. Okay. Huh? Oh, yep, there we go. Hubcaps. He's somewhere. Up. Up. Very good. Nice. As long as he's on there. Mustang 350 Ready Sport. This Chevy looks interesting. Chevy truck.
Does it have horns or what's going on here?
That appears to be the exhaust pipe. Oh, he's using the chains. Okay.
It's kind of a rat rod.
So kind of trying for the steampunk rat rod type of look. Wow. That's something else.
There's radiators in the back.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure what's going on.
Yeah.
Just like his turbos.
Yeah. Got the 340 Barracuda. Another TRX. Ooh, GMC is pretty. Nice GMC. Yeah, I know. Isn't that cool? The turbos in the, yeah. Yep. And then the GMC, which also suspiciously looks like a root beer truck.
It does.
It really does.
Aww.
What?
Dent right there. Is this the third or fourth tier?
Fourth. Yep, definitely nice looking. Ooh, the camper.
There's a Ford, I believe, on a Crown Vic platform.
Oh yeah, looks like it. Looks good.
No, that's got leaf springs, so maybe not.
Okay. F100. Then we got the CST-10 with the camper bed. That's cool. Yeah. That's great.
16,000.
Yeah. Got a Thunderbird. Yeah. Classic look, I think, because it's got the Dodge on the hood and stuff. Yeah, Black Ghost. Yep, the Black Ghost throwback. Yeah. Yep. Lots of pretty cars and trucks.
Random Mercedes.
Yeah, very random sitting here with all these other cars. And random Lexus, too, if you want to be picky about it. Yeah, definitely looks good. Nice cream color. Extreme. It looks good. Yep, lots of those. Then we got the Ram 1500 Rumblebee, which is cool.
I think that would have had a Sport or potential.
Yeah, I'm thinking so.
The Marauder, those are really well extended. Rolls.
Big rolls.
Yeah.
With the thing hidden from being stolen. That's cool. Ooh, nice push. The Saturn. Yeah, we got another Firebird. Yep. Looks good. And then this car's pretty. Yeah. Ooh, and the Firebird looks good right across. Yeah, two-tone. Yeah. The two-tone black with the cream. Yeah, white wheels. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Ooh, the tow truck. Interesting. Yeah. Ooh, an Opel. Opel wagon. That's cool. And 440 GTX. These are always pretty. Yeah. Yeah. It looks really good. Got another Taco. Yeah, with the blue wheels and stuff. Yeah. Ooh, and also pretty Bel Air. Love that color. And the Chevrolet next to it. Really, really good. Also got a nice GS there too. Lots of pretty cars. Yep. Ooh. Ooh, an official Daytona 500 pace car over there. And Indy 500s. Gotta check those out here in a bit.
We're gonna make it through the slew of the spawn.
Yeah. The slew of despond. WX, yep. Yeah. Ooh, another 500. Dodge Stealth. Pretty looking. So we choose this one. 97th, so 2013. Nice looking. Stingray. What?
All-wheel driving.
All-wheel driving?
Yeah. All-wheel drive, all-wheel steering.
Oh wow.
And a manual.
That's cool. That's something else. That's a combo. Another Jaguar. Yeah. So, okay, I actually misread the logo there. That was Daytona 500. That's pretty. So, Indy 500, although it does, from afar, it does sneakily look like a Daytona 500 logo. And then another Indianapolis 2008. And then the 102nd Indy 500, the 2018 with the ZR1. ZR1 base car.
Like the one
Sweet.
Where they were using one of these on a race.
He was on a street course and they wrecked it. Yep.
Yeah, it wasn't this one, thankfully.
Yeah. But they messed that one up pretty good. Got a nice gold Pontiac Trans Am. Got the Chevy Mitsubishi truck. Oh man, I think those are good. Don't you see too many of those anymore. Got the excess. Is that extra mirror right there? Yep, extra mirror. That's cool. Almost looks like it has a Subaru Baja bed on the back, which is pretty neat. An old Chevy, another Mercedes. Ooh, got Chrysler 300 up here. Another nice white Corvette. Grand four-wheel drive Wagoneer, I believe. Yep, 300 with the Hemi C. And then 32V North Star. Nice. Mm-hmm.
First use of the North Star.
Yeah, not the best. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, and that Mitsubishi truck looked really, really good. Looked like they swapped a Subaru Baja bed onto the back of it though. It's kind of funny. Just probably didn't, but it's just the body lines look like they had. Alrighty guys, I think that's gonna do it for us here today. Definitely had a lot of fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed looking at all the cool cars and stuff. We certainly did. Always fun to come out and see what's here. And make sure to check out all of our videos. Hit that like and subscribe button. And we'll see you guys here next time on the Combustion Guys YouTube channel. Bye-bye.